Precast prestressed concrete is a high-performance material that integrates seamlessly, is incredibly versatile, and proves to be exceptionally strong. Every manufacturing company holds a National Precast Prestressed Concrete Institute (PCI) certification. This means they go beyond minimum requirements and standards to produce consistent top-quality products. Safe during transportation, economical to owners, and resilient to occupants. Using precast prestressed concrete for structures lowers operating, maintenance, energy, and insurance costs. Precast prestressed concrete products provide design flexibility, aesthetic appeal, shorten construction schedules, and guarantee quality, durability, and longevity. Precast concrete products for buildings, housing, bridges, and parking garages are pre-manufactured off-site and brought to the job site for fast assembly. Precast concrete minimizes job site disturbance, storage, and on-site labor. Construction schedules are much shorter because the precast components are manufactured off-site, while other processes are being completed on-site. The quality of precast concrete is controlled and unaffected by delays in material deliveries, weather conditions, or availability of labor. Precasters only batch concrete for what they use and typically produce similar pieces for days or weeks at a time. Precast concrete is plant manufactured to the highest standards of quality for minimal errors and maximum value. Precast concrete manufacturing plants and personnel are nationally certified through the Precast Prestressed Concrete Institute. Total precast concrete structures are high-performance, resilient structures with superior resistance to forces of Mother Nature and man-made events. High-performance precast prestressed concrete structures protect lives from high wind and flying debris. They're made with stronger concrete to last a lifetime. High-performance precast prestressed concrete structures are also resistant to fire, rain, mold, termites, and more. This makes high-performance precast concrete the obvious choice for storm shelters, schools, buildings, and warehouses due to its strength and durability before, during, and after an event. It protects lives and investment by allowing communities to return to normal more quickly. Total precast concrete structures protect lives and belongings, providing inherently excellent fire protection without any additional measures since concrete is non-combustible. Precast concrete structures provide strength and complete enclosure, which prevents fires from spreading, reducing the risk to inhabitants and first responders and minimizing damage. Since concrete doesn't burn, its structure isn't compromised or weakened, which allows for speedy restoration after minor fire damage. With precast concrete structures, families and businesses can get life back to normal more quickly after devastating fire events. Precast prestressed concrete is built for strength and durability. Structures with elevated foundations can be built on prestressed piles and precast floor systems to mitigate flood and sea level rise. High-performance precast concrete does not degrade from moisture exposure. It is mold-resistant, providing protection from both the seen and unseen dangers that water damage and flooding can cause. Precast concrete's low permeability, fortified resilience, and resistance to water and salt intrusion make it ideal for seawall and sea level rise barriers and results in longer service life for your structures and investment. Precast concrete can also be used as artificial reef, shoreline reinforcement, and mitigation to beach erosion. The Florida Prestressed Concrete Association, FPCA, has served the state for over 60 years. To learn how you can design, build, or own structures that are vastly safer, more cost-efficient, disaster-resistant, and sustainable, contact us today.